Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. And if you're wondering how can you manifest anything within 24 hours, something that really works, you landed on the right channel. Today I'm going to give you some of my simple techniques that I use to manifest basically anything that I want within 24 hours. Now listen to this, it may even come to you even sooner. So listen, watch this video all the way to the end because you guys know that I always add in a couple of tips to help you with your manifestations. At the same time, if you're new to this channel, this is a law of attraction metaphysical channel that brings life-changing information. So listen, join the family, support the channel by liking, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Now let's get started. I'm back. Now, what is it that I have to tell you about how you can manifest something within 24 hours or less? Now, listen, you guys, I'm not going to send you up and give you a whole bunch of hocus pocus. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give you guys real life information to help you manifest something within 24 hours or less. Now, listen, what I'm about to tell you is not something that you're going to use to manifest $20 million in one day. But listen, it can happen. It's all based on your situation and your level of consciousness. I will tell you one thing that you must do. You guys must believe. You must have faith. And you must do exactly what I'm telling you to do in order for it to work. So now, let's get to this. Now, the first thing I want you to know is that the best times to do manifestation is always right before going to sleep or right upon waking up. Before all those thoughts start coming into your mind, I need you to do this. That's important. You need to take a little time for yourself in the morning or at night before going to sleep to do this. But it is powerful to do it before going to sleep and again in the morning before going out upon your day. Why? Because you're setting your day up. You're setting how your day want to be. The thing is visualization, you guys, okay? Now, listen, I know you guys know about visualizations. If you don't, please go to my visualization playlist. I have so much information to help you manifest and to help you tune into your visualizations if you're having problems. Now, the thing is with visualization, if you do your visualization in the morning about how you want your day to go, it will absolutely steer your day into that direction. Now, it's important, you guys. Let's just say you're going to court and you're upset, whatever, let it go. Negative emotions is going to block your manifestations because you're sending to the universe that you don't trust. The thing is that I want you to relax. Do whatever it is to make you relax. Play some music that just puts you in a great mood. And I need you then to go to yourself, sit in a chair, put your feet down, palms up, and I want you to take a deep breath in, hold it for a couple of seconds, and then let it out. When I say take a deep breath, I want you to take a deep breath in and feel your abdominal muscles go in and go out. This is crucial. Why? Because at that point, you are calming everything down. You're putting yourself in another state, a more calmer state. And at that point, you can visualize. I want you to close your eyes and I want you to absolutely visualize what it is that you want for the day. Whatever it is you want done, however you want your day to go. I need you to visualize it as if you are the person actually in it, which we call first person. Now, when I say visualizations, I'm not talking no more than a minute, 2 minutes. I don't really want you guys to go anything beyond that because then those negative thoughts start coming in. But if you visualize exactly how you want your day to go, it will drive your ship, drive your life in that direction. Listen, you guys, it works. And at the last minute or when you least expect it, things will do a turn and things will work out for you. Now, this is the thing. I want you guys to say, at the end of your visualization, I want you to thank God, thank the universe, thank Allah, Jehovah, whatever it is that you worship. I do need you to say thank you, as if it is already done, as if you already accepted what it is the universe is bringing for you. Now, what are you going to do after that? I need you to let it go. Take action in whatever direction you need to go and just let it go. Listen, you guys, it works. And the thing is that faith and belief is what's going to get you there. If you have a lack of faith, I am advising you guys to say affirmations in the morning. I am worthy of anything that it is that I desire. What God has for others, God also has for me, and even more. So you can say these things and keep repeating it. And as you repeat these things, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind to know and believe that whatever it is that you desire, you are entitled to. You are setting that intent out there that I believe and I trust in the universe. And that's all you need to do. This is powerful. You will write me back and you will say, Yvette, oh my God, it worked. Now listen, one last thing that I want to tell you guys, and again, I tell you guys so many times, that's mirror work. If you want to supercharge your manifestations within the next 24 hours or less, do the mirror work. Why? Because the mirror work is going to release whatever it is that's holding you back. Whatever it is in your life that you do not want came from within. And at this point, mirror work is going to release whatever it is to allow whatever you want to come into your life. Again, if you don't know anything about mirror work, please go to my mirror work playlist and it tells you everything about it. Now, how would I do this? You can basically just walk outside and just talk to yourself. You can sit in your chair and you can just talk to yourself. I think it's more powerful when you go into the bathroom, you're brushing your teeth, or you're doing anything, combing your hair, getting ready for your day. That is the time to look into your eyes and just say, hey, look, Yvette, I love you. Universe, I love you. Whatever it is that I am doing to cause me to be held back, I am releasing it right now. I apologize for my weakness. I apologize for whatever I have brought into my life that I do not want. But at this time, I am releasing it so that my abundance to come to me. Listen, whatever God has for others, God has for me. And I understand this and I accept this. God, I am totally ready for whatever abundance you have to come into my life. So listen, everyone, I just gave you guys a powerful way to manifest anything within 24 hours or less. Again, follow the instructions and it works. You will be writing me, telling me how you had success. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. Join the family, you guys. If you want to follow me at myworldofmetaphysics.com. All the information is in the description, everyone. How to get private coaching, readings, and if you want to buy crystals, candles, incense, that's in the description also. Again, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and namaste.